WERU TV mushini o Maua kaunti ya MERU. Uria utarita mubunge wa Ekuru kaunti ya MERU ni atumirite kugwatanira na ngwataniro imwe ya nthiguru ciome gutigira ni kugwakwa kiwanda kia uthithia bwa NDAWA kaunti ya MERU. Kailemia ariuga ari na witikio bakagwatanira na ngavana uria uri kugutigira murandi jojo ni juguciara matunda.
Kinyambere yanyu ithomuma jo kwambiria gwita ngugi murungamiri okoro muthure ndene kaunti ya MERU bikarambu Kailemia na tumirite kujulira ne bwa mbere areretete anjolithia kana na gichonko investors kuma nthiguru ne Bangladesh barauko bakethira bakiambire viwanda bya NDAWA ndene kaunti ya MERU
na ndi factory isi athithwa industry factory igantu kanini ke industry nene ingwete kia ngiri ya naba MERU babethi na baba thomete muno batikona ngugi bakona ngugi ku na te baba thomete muno no kumeko ngugi cia opaka NDAWA kwi ngugi cia kwegera kwi ngugi security kwi ngugi na ndi baba thithite kithomo kia NDAWA na mantu ja maingi
bikarambu Kailemia arenderia kwena irigo bunene aonjorithia kana investors baba bakethiro bakiamukiro bo bugithirikare gavana Kawira Mwangaza kenda kwethiro kwena witingo bo bwega
ntu twina gavana mweru elect Kawira Mwangaza nkaraniria nwe kenda twaraniria na ntu ba nyankuruki uni kubareta akina kwaraniria hapo ntu ni achore betu ende nguge yongwa igaitwa county government kwa of course ni investors pambirite kureta uranda abwirire na NDAWA idire mbeche cia woman report uciomba kuthithia muno ende ntu ba connection na network yekwa the sky is the limit ututu tumba kuthithia na nandi twina ngavana ura tukwereana nwe ura tukumba kwaraniria nwe na twakaranthi nwe na nyanka baikia no
kere investors no bakere na tu batwirite mono je gukire muturo jo antu ba kaunti ya MERU na njire kweje na ngugi kire viwanda bibiao.
Expect this pharmaceutical sector will give a good results for the country, and as well Mama will help in the government sector doing the policies for the country to have the local manufacturer established in this country. And we are employing people to work with us. Already we have local employees even from Mawa, even from MERU who are working for Escort Pharmaceuticals currently.
Nkorokie John
kuinyandaka yetu itura China kinyabana aritie na antuba kuma China maraba kwenda kuyotutethia na urimi.
You know, we have issues of rain-fed agriculture, and we know that we have a surplus of banana, of mangoes, and what we're looking for is how we can be able to take MERU to the next level by being able to partner to process these fruits and export them to China.
Nke report WERU TV kumaje kingina ngine kitoke Nairobi Beta Boniface Mongera.
Nkatho cia mwanya ni untu bwa kugwatanira na bautwekire nteto cia ruthemwe wona cherungama thaa 3:30 ngachokera na nteto iji na ingi nkuruki mbeta Maureen Kinya bona neto mathithio ni Maureen Kome.